Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to fix the Adobe Acrobat error. Adobe Acrobat cannot start the image editing application you have specified. Verify the image editing application location on the content editing panel in preferences. This error appears when Acrobat blocks external application from opening images. Let's fix it in a minute. Open Adobe Acrobat or any PDF file. And click on hamburger menu, top left, and select preferences. Or simply click Ctrl K to open Adobe Preferences. In the left panel, scroll down and click Security Enhanced. And uncheck the option Enable Protected Mode at Startup. Click Yes to confirm. Click OK and close the Adobe Acrobat and open it again. Your image editing tool should now open without errors. That's it. Quick and easily. If this solved your problem, don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.